Hello everyone. While preparing for mains examination, if you take general studies in history, questions came from ancient India, medieval India, modern India also, old history also. But while you are preparing, if you know how the questions came, what was the nature of the questions in UPSC, it becomes easy for you to prepare accordingly. For that, you need a mechanism where you can gather all the questions at least for the last 10 to 12 years in a single place. I have created this web portal. Here you can go history GS1 mains. You can select this one, go to PYQs. And these PYQs are organized topic wise. You see this art and culture. So far 33 questions came. In modern India 30 questions. Post independence 11 questions. Old history 17 questions came. And if you want to know in art and culture how questions were asked, just you click this, you will get all the questions. If you need all topics, they are listed like this. But again, you can see within art and culture also, which topic was asked mostly, which topic was given more weightage. That you can see just by looking at these tags. Architecture, number 5 is there. Architecture related questions came 5 times. Civilization 1 time, conservation 1 time. Likewise, if you see architecture 5 times asked, literature 5 times. Just if you click architecture, then automatically you will get all the 5 questions which were asked. And you will come to know that within architecture, how UPSC is framing the questions. To say this, discuss the salient features of the Harappan architecture, Harappa related. Though the great Cholas are no more, yet their name is still remembered. Though the great Cholas are no more, yet their name is still remembered with great pride because of their highest achievements in the domain of art and architecture. Comment. First question, Harappan contribution to architecture. This one, Chola's contribution. And you can see next one, the rock cut architecture. It is related to rock cut architecture. Mesolithic rock cut architecture. Chola architecture represent. This shows Chola period was asked 2 times. Now this is a reference for us. Suppose if they have asked Chola architecture, next year they can ask on Gupta architecture, they can ask Mughal architecture, Delhi Sultanate architecture, Vijayanagara architecture. That is how you can interpret the nature of the questions. This is with respect to architecture. Now, when you go to literature, questions now you say this. Estimate the contribution of Pallavas of Kanchi for the development of art and literature. Now, earlier there was no question related to Pallava architecture. Pallava related literature asked, and in fact here art and literature specifically asked, but this art, the term includes all the other aspects also, including architecture. Parisian literary sources of medieval India reflect the spirit of the age. Parisian literature in medieval times, how literature helped historians to interpret medieval times. Parisian literary sources assess the importance of the accounts of Chinese and Arab travelers in the reconstruction of the history of India. Arab accounts and Chinese accounts, they are helpful to know ancient time and early medieval time Indian history. That is what important. Now you see how literature, in which angle you need to write. Krishna Devaraya, the king of Vijayanagar, was not only an accomplished scholar himself, but was also a great patron of learning and literature. Vijayanagar related. 1 year, now you see, if you see the chapter wise, Harappan related architecture came. Now, if you go to Gupta's, Gupta related question was also there, art related, coins related. Chola related question is also there. Delhi Sultanate also there. Mughals also you will find. Medieval times, Vijayanagara times also you will find. One time they may ask architecture related angle, another time same dynasty, Vijayanagara Empire. Another year question can be asked from literature. So this is how art and culture means you have 7 to 8 subcomponents within art and culture, like a religion, philosophy, architecture, sculpture, music, dance, painting, and so on. If you prepare these components for each and every dynasty, then let any kind of question come from anywhere, still you will be able to write the answers. This how this app will help you to have complete idea about how questions are being asked in art and culture. When you click modern India, again 30 questions are there. You can just see different categories within modern India how questions are asked. Acts, conquest, economy, famines, ideologies. Ideologies related more number of questions are there. That shows in this angle probably more importance is given. And here you can see the comparison between ideologies of Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Ambedkar. In this way, questions are there. What was the difference between Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore approach? Many voices have strengthened different voices during this time period, freedom struggle. Throw light on significance of thoughts of Mahatma Gandhi in present times. Importance of new objectives. Highlight difference in approach of Subhash Chandra Bose and Mahatma Gandhi. Identify this. These are Mahatma Gandhi and Ambedkar, despite having divergent approaches and strategies, had a common goal. This is how. In this way, you can have different opinions, like socio-religious reformers. What was their approach? Gandhiji, what is the approach? Subhash Chandra Bose, what is the approach? Ambedkar, what is the approach? Jyotiba Phule, what is the approach? While you are preparing for examination, you have ready-made content, but think in this direction that you come to know that only when you go through all the questions in single place. That is the purpose of this portal. And same is the case with post-independence. At least while you are preparing, at least you prepare these dimensions. Sometimes question can be the same points only you can repeat in multiple places. At least these dimensions you prepare. Administration after independence, economic policy after independence, education policy after independence, foreign policy after independence, political integration after independence, states reorganization after independence. Similarly, in with respect to old history, again, these are the topics: American Revolution, French Revolution, colonialism, Great Economic Depression, Industrial Revolution, World Wars. It's going to be very easy for you. Just you need to come to this place, History GS1 Mains, PYQs, organized systematically. This way, this portal will help you.